it's a very painful thing to watch somebody you love have to wrestle with ALS.
If we had a hospital bed, she could lift her up, but I physically had to lift her and put her into the wheelchair. During dinner, she could eat, but about halfway through, I have to feed her. She needs help getting to the bathroom. You know, how old she is. At 55 years old, you got to go to the bathroom once during the night. So I got to get her out of bed. I don't mind it, but there are times I am overwhelmed.
I push myself because I have to keep going. I have to take care of him. I have to work. I have to be here for my daughters. I have to keep my house clean. I have to do all these have-tos. And I do it because I love him. He's my child, and there's no one else to do it. But am I always happy? Am I always up? No.
How does she feel having to ask me to dress her? How would you feel if you had to have somebody come in and put your clothes on for you? Think of all the things you do, and now do them with one finger.
It is not natural for a mom to live with her 34-year-old son. I know that. He does not like me doing the mom thing, and he likes to remain very independent.
My life is not my own anymore. I don't have a life.
I don't know. I guess on some level I've had to grow up more. And I thought I was grown up. But being grown up is taking responsibility for not only your own life, but for other people as best as you can.